how to download and install MovieBox on your laptop or PC. Now, first of all, install an Android emulator. So MovieBox is made for mobile. So you need an emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player or Mimir. Now go to their official websites and download the setup file for Windows or Mac. So after that, install the emulator. So open the download file and follow the instructions to install the emulator. Once it's done, launch the emulator on your PC or laptop. After that, download the MovieBox APK file. So search for MovieBox APK latest version on trusted website, of course. Download the APK file to your computer. Now install MovieBox in the emulator. So open the emulator, then drag and drop the MovieBox APK file into it. The emulator will install the app just like on a phone. After that, open the MovieBox and enjoy. So after the install is completed, click the MovieBox icon inside the emulator and you can now stream or download movies directly on your laptop or PC. Finally, stay safe. Always download APKs from trusted sources to avoid viruses. Avoid entering personal info into an unofficial apps. And this is how to download and install MovieBox on your laptop or PC. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.